Good morning and welcome to GHRCE News Desk. We are excited this week as well to share some of the insight, the works that are executed at GHRC amidst the country lockdown. So without any further delay, let's move on to the news for the day. Amar Seva Mandal's Kamla Nehru College of Pharmacy, Nagpur has recently signed a memorandum of understanding with GH Raisoni College of Engineering, Nagpur under UGC Paramash scheme. Kamla Nehru College of Pharmacy and GH Raisoni College of Engineering is well known for its academic curriculum and research activities. As a part of the quality mandate, UGC has set the goal to get every higher education institution accredited. In order to achieve this goal, UGC has introduced a new scheme, Paramash, with the objective to enhance the overall quality of the mentee institution by mentoring the non-accredited College of Engineering. And this institute has to enable to get accredited. GH Raisoni College of Engineering has been selected as mentor institute for the scheme. The main objective of this undertaking is to conduct the entire training of faculty and staff for proper process, documentation, presentation. To share knowledge, information and resources to mentee institution is also a part of this particular program. To support for research collaboration to institution to adopt best practices play a vital role in such programs. While signing the MOU, the college is represented by Dr. J.R. Baheti, Principal, and GH Raisoni College of Engineering is represented by Dr. Sachin Untawale, Director, Dr. Santosh Jaju, Dean R&D, and Dr. Pramod Valke, Deputy Director and Dean IQAC. Dr. Suhashni Vanjari, President, and Advocate Abhijit Vanjari, Secretary, Amar Seva Mandal congratulated the Principal and faculties for signing the said MOU. GH Raisoni College of Engineering has been undertaking a lot of initiatives in bringing excellence in the academics. In this direction, it has been decided to conduct the delivery of a part of the content of syllabus to undergraduate students by the eminent faculty members of IITs, NITs, IISc. Expert lecturers calendar is prepared for duration from 6th July to 20th August 2020 for all the departments. Every week, minimum 2 topics per discipline will be taught by the expert faculty members. Expert lectures are planned on discipline-specific topics which shall be delivered through online mode using WebEx. About 18 lectures shall be delivered for each department, totaling to 132 lectures in next 6 weeks. Already, more than 10 lectures have been delivered by faculties from IIT, IIIT and NITs. To name few, Dr. Rupesh Nasri, IIT Madras, had taken the lecture on polymorphism, function and operator overloading. Dr. Pooja Jain, IIT Nagpur, divide and conquer algorithms was the lecture all about. Dr. Akhilesh Kumar Chaudhary, NIT Hamirpur, has taken a lecture on friction. Dr. R.N. Patel, NIT Raipur, has taken a lecture on electrical installations, design of solar system. Dr. Ashish Tiwari, VNIT Nagpur, has taken a lecture on linked list using C. This is going to be an ongoing process for the next 6 weeks where the students are going to be highlighted on various topics by the top experts in the lead. As a part of curriculum, the students of GH Raisoni College of Engineering, Nagpur are required to undergo internship for a duration of 6 months in their 7th and 8th semester. 30 students from 7th semester of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering Department have been selected to undergo a 6 months internship at IIT Bombay under the guidance of Dr. V.M. Gadre, Professor, Electrical Engineering Department from 15th July 2020 to 15th January 2021. The students will explore applications of digital signal processing in this internship as well as design course material, videos and assignments for NPTEL MOOC, particularly directed towards the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative of the Government of India. The faculties: Dr. Kalyani A. Khan, Associate Professor, Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, and Professor Sonali Joshi, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics Engineering from GHRC Nagpur, will be the faculty coordinators. On the occasion of Vasantrao Naik Harit Maharashtra Abhiyan of Government of Maharashtra, National Service Scheme Cell of GH Rai Soni College of Engineering has executed various tree plantation events through the college faculties. Namely, on 11 July 2020 at Ambazari Biodiversity Park, the event was executed. On 12 July 2020 at Janaki Nagar Corporation School Ground, Manyavada, Nagpur. The National Service Scheme Unit of GHRC carry out this activity every year with great enthusiasm and sensitize the importance of tree plantation. This tree plantation activity is also part of plantation drive run by Honorable HRD Minister Dr. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank and AICTE as a part of One Student, One Tree initiative. Mr. Gordon Vallel, Admin Officer, and Professor Mangesh Boker, Program Officer, NSS GHRC, Nagpur, have taken the efforts under the guidance of Dr. Sachin Untavade, Director, and Dr. S. Dole, Registrar, GHRC. All staff were asked to take selfie with planted tree and take 1-minute video during plantation and submit that to the NSS Program Officer. The motto behind this program is to take care of every plant individually by staff throughout the year and nourish it carefully. With that note, this is Sindhu Panikar signing off from GHRC News Desk. Stay home, stay safe, and stay updated with us. Thank you.